Good day, class! Are you ready to learn new things? Well, today we will be tackling about intonation. So, as we go on, we will be encountering sample sentences. And the task is to provide or determine the correct intonation required by those sentences. Of course, to help us or to guide us, first we need to familiarize ourselves to two systems in intonation. So the first is by numbers, and the second one is by lines. So today we will be utilizing by lines. In by lines, it starts with level 1, which signifies low pitch. Level 2 signifies normal pitch. Level 3 signifies high pitch. And of course, level 4 signifies very high pitch. So this will help us to identify correct intonation. But of course, before we dig in, I want you to list questions that you will be encountering as we go on, and we will try to hear those and provide sufficient explanations. And today, or at this moment, let's proceed to those sample sentences.
So first, we have sample declaration of facts. So we have two sample sentences. First, the sun rises in the east. So since this is a declarative sentence, it is just stating fact, which falls under rising falling intonation pattern 2 3 1, and we place level 3 on the higher pitch or the term which is stressed. So we place the second level on the line the sun rises in, and the higher pitch in the word da, and east the lowest pitch. So the process will be the same as the first one. So we place level 2 in I, and the stress one is love. So we put there level 3, and U is the lowest pitch. So below are two sentences under command request. And since it is a command request, it falls under rising falling intonation pattern, which is 2 3 1. However, we place higher pitch to the first syllable of the last term. So the last term is paper. Look for the first syllable. There we put level 3 or the higher pitch. So the process will be the same. Next is questions not answerable by yes or no. Sentences that ask questions not answerable by yes or no also falls under 2-3-1 intonation pattern. For instance, what is the topic about? So since it is a question, it rises at the end. So now, the last term is stressed and the first syllable plays the higher pitch. And the process will just be the same. The previous examples provided us with disyllabic stress terms, and at this point, we will be encountering monosyllabic stress terms, and that is quite different. So, at this point, we will be using sliding lines to show the shifting of voice from high to low intonation. For instance, where are they? They is the last term and it is stressed, so it requires high pitch. And as we approach the end part, we need to lower our voice. That is represented by a sliding line. Same with the second sentence. Mika likes it here. So let's proceed to questions answerable by yes or no.
So it falls into rising intonation pattern 2-3-3 and starts with verb. For instance, do you think they are handling the pandemic well? So here, think is the verb. So there starts the rising intonation. And do you holds the normal pitch. So the process would just be the same on the second sample. Next is questions that ask for specific details. So who will write the script for you? So if the stress is put on who, then the person asking may refer to the person who will write the script. However, if the script is stressed, then the person asking may refer to an object to be made for someone. Next, how did he hold up the new trunk? So how is he stressed? And the person asking is not aware on the process how the new trunk hold up. However, if he is stressed, the person asking is not aware who did the action.